Hi, my name is Deborah R. Richardson of Deborah R. Richardson LLC, and I work with you to help you clean up your vendor data, clean up your vendor processes so that you pay the right vendor. Now, this week's Vendor Master File tip of the week is one gesture that may expose a deep fake video. Now, back in October of 2022, I made this Vendor Master File tip of the week called What is Business Identity Compromise, or BIC? And in March of 2021, the FBI defined it as an evolution of business email compromise and said that it was the use of content generation and manipulation tools to develop synthetic corporate personas or to create a sophisticated emulation of an existing employee. Now, this can affect you in virtual meetings with employees, colleagues, or vendors if you are using the virtual meeting as your confirmation call for, say, a vendor banking change, as some of you are doing for your non-US vendors. So this was 2021, and the FBI did say that the technology still wasn't where it needed to be fully convincing. You could still tell by the way their lips were moving versus the words that they were saying that something was off. But fast forward 2 years, and we know how quickly tech can evolve. So, what is that gesture that still might be a giveaway? Well, according to the Government Technologies article, How to Protect Yourself Against Deepfake in Real Time, they said if you ask the attendee to turn their head around and also to put their hand in front of their face, that might be a dead giveaway because deepfakes often haven't been trained to do those realistically. So there's your gesture. If you would like more information on how to improve your vendor process, please go to my website, deborarrichardson.com, for free tools and resources to avoid fraud, fines, and bad vendor data. Now, if you'd like over 149 hours of vendor process training sessions, check out the Vendor Process Training Center at training.deborarrichardson.com. So good luck and be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified next Tuesday for the next Vendor Master File tip of the week.